Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hello, my diamond babes. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I know I have been gone for so long, but I'm just dropping content or whatever. I have so much content inside my MacBook, my iPhones, and everything that I really need to edit and drop from previous all the way to now. Unfortunately, I feel a little drained. The Texas weather is getting to me, but I miss y'all, babes, and I know I just be gone. I've been dealing with some life things, and then also my brother just passed away April 28th, and I just been not doing too good, but holding up or whatever, trying to keep myself up. Um, I want to share my DIY project. As you can see, this is a different layout behind me or whatever. And also my vases are gold and black instead of white and black. So in the previous house that I had got, you guys, actually turned that into an Airbnb. So yeah, I'm just doing things or whatever, and I moved into another high rise. Yeah, you gotta have multiple streams of incomes coming in. So I did the layout like this at the house that I had previously got, and I also just did it here at my apartment that I just have. I didn't do a moving vlog here because it was just like real fast for me. Yeah, so let's get straight to the video. Make sure y'all guys like, subscribe, and comment. And I hope y'all having a very, very, very blessed day. And I just want everybody to know that whatever you go through in life, with your family or your friends or whatever, keep your head up and know that you're loved. Know that you're loved regardless. If you're holding grudges, let it go. Just let it go. It's just not even worth it. People are just there. They're leaving. And you know, when you have love for so much love, unconditional love for friends, family, whoever, love them unconditionally, because you never know what tomorrow may bring. You never know what tomorrow might bring. I'm gonna get straight to the video, you guys, of in my old house of me putting up the mirror wall, dropping content, because I don't want to cry on here, and I'm not about to cry on here. But yeah, so make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss. You know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new lips look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too damn.
Okay, you guys, that was the video of me DIYing the trending mirror wall like I have back there that you see going around on TikTok, on Instagram. You know, I've been wanting to do it forever, and it turned out amazing. It really turned out very amazing. I hope y'all like the video, and y'all, I'm so sorry that the video has the little black things on the side. I hate it. Yes, I love editing, but at that time I was just creating a TikTok or whatever because it was a trending TikTok mirror wall. Even though it been going around for so long, it was still trending, and I just wanted to do it because I really like the aesthetics of it. I really like, you know, to DIY things, and I wanted things to look good, you know, trying to get in my girly era. Yeah, but I hope you guys liked it, and the video, the little clip that is coming on after this is my aftermath, and my vases that I got from at home that y'all seen at the house when me and my son was putting up the mirrors. They was black and white, and so I went to Wally World Walmart, you guys, and I had bought some gold spray painting, some gold spray paint, and I had just spray painted the white, the white gold or whatever. Yeah, so it came out to be just like this clip is out for to show you right now. So I hope y'all like the video. Make sure you give it a big likes. I love you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, need some me time.